Well, hello you guys. Welcome back to my channel. This may look a little weird. We're doing something a little different today. I wanted to share a haul with you guys, and it's a combination of a lot of different things, but the reason I have it set up on the floor like this and you guys aren't going to see my face on camera, you can probably hear my voice. I'm really sick. I have been really sick this week and it's made it really hard for me to film, so I've been kind of putting it off just because I haven't felt up to filming. And I've been feeling terrible and sounding terrible. So anyway, I wanted to film this today, but I wasn't feeling good enough to be on camera. So this is how we're going to do it. It's a little different. But I have, like I said, a bunch of different things I want to show you. Some of this is a Black Friday haul, and some of the stuff I got on Black Friday is gifts. So I have things that I purchased for myself, things that I purchased for gifts, and then I also have some PR here that I wanted to share with you guys. So it's a combination of a lot of things going on, but I just kind of thought I would sit down and share some of this new stuff that I have, and I also wanted to show you the good deals I got on Black Friday. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. I know it's a little bit different, but hopefully bear with me. And if I sound terrible, I'm so sorry, guys. This week I have been so sick. It's been really hard, but anyway, I am starting to feel a little bit better, so I thought I would go ahead and share this. And I'm gonna get winded really easily because when I talk, I get winded. All right, so I want to. Should we start with the Black Friday stuff? Let's start with the Black Friday stuff. That way, if you guys don't like PR, I know some people still don't like PR. You don't have to stay for that part, but I want to start with the Black Friday stuff. So, I did get a bunch of gifts on Black Friday that are not makeup related, but I'm just showing you guys what I got that is beauty related. So, I made a trip to Ulta. I actually have two different little bags here, but I got some of the stuff I showed you guys in my Black Friday Ulta video, which I'll link above. I picked up quite a few of the things that I showed you guys. The first thing is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. This is a limited edition one, so it has a scent to it. Normally the Ultra Repair Cream is unscented, but this one is supposed to be pink grapefruit scented. This is normally $42 for this size of tub, and these ones were only $18, which is a fantastic deal. So I did pick up two of them. These are going to be gifts. I have a few people that I love on my Christmas list that use this product. So I thought that was such a great deal, and hopefully the grapefruit scent is nice. I don't know, I haven't smelled it. Alright, this one I told you guys I was going to be picking up. I was really excited that they did have it in stock. Last year at my Ulta, this was on sale, and by the time we got there was like none left. This year they had a massive amount of them, so I think they did a better job preparing for the sale. But this is the Sugar Glow Kit from Anastasia. This is a gift as well. It was on sale for $24. I believe it's still on sale if it's not sold out. I think the sale goes through Monday at Ulta, so if you're interested in any of this stuff, I'll link everything down below. Ulta's sale does go on until tomorrow. So I'm filming this on Sunday and hopefully getting it up to you guys on Sunday as well. Alright, let's see, what else did I have in here? Okay, so I also picked up two of these. I told you guys I was so excited about these. I did buy these for myself. Now, I told you I was planning not to buy anything for myself, but I just couldn't resist. I'll wait. I'll stick them in my stocking, so it's like a Christmas gift to myself. Going off on tangents, but these are the Laura Geller Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminators. I love the formula on these. I only had one shade, and I think it was Ballerina or Caramel. I can't remember. I have one shade of it, but I didn't have either of these shades. So I got the shade Peach Glow and Diamond Dust. They did have some other shades there, but they were too dark for my skin tone. But these two were absolutely beautiful. The Diamond Dust I'm really excited about. It's kind of like a, it's got like a pink glitter in it. It's so pretty. So anyway, I'm really excited about both of those. These were on sale for, I think, $13 each. Oh, and they did throw this in as a free gift. This is from First Aid Beauty as well. It's the Facial Radiance Polish. I have tried this. I like that product, so that's a good product. Alright, and then also I did pick up this little palette from Pure. This is the highlighting one. They had two different ones. They had like their highlighting palette and then like an eyeshadow palette that were on sale for $15 each, and you get 3 highlighters in here. This is going to be a gift, but it was such a great deal for this little palette, and I think it's so cute. I love that it has the confetti in it. I have their full-size palette, the Love Your Selfie 4, I think it is, that has the same packaging, and I just think it's really cute, so I think that'll make a great gift. Alrighty, another item that I picked up as a gift. This was on sale for $10. They had a variety of mascaras on sale for $10. when I got there, they only had 3 different ones left. The rest were all sold out. But this one, I have this mascara. I got it in BoxyCharm last month, but I haven't tried it yet. But I've heard from everybody that it's amazing. So I went ahead and picked one up. This is going to be a stocking stuffer for my daughter. But this is the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. Another item I picked up at Ulta is this OPI matte top coat. This was on sale for $5, normally $10.50. This is another stocking stuffer for my daughter. All right, and then after I checked out, I realized I forgot some things, so I went back and got this. The Batiste dry shampoo. This was on sale, buy one get one free. These are not gifts or anything. I just was out of dry shampoo, so I bought, it was buy one get one free, so I got one for me and one for my daughter, so I thought that was a great deal. So yeah, I got that. And then the last thing that was in here, this was not on sale, but I saw this at the little things by the checkout, and my daughter had asked for this for Christmas, so this is going to go in her stocking. It's just from Fizz and Bubble, I think is the brand. I'm not sure, but it's just a watermelon lip scrub, so I did go ahead and pick that up for her. Alright, so that is everything that I got while I was at Ulta. Like I said, I did buy some other things. I bought some toys and games and socks. That's what I bought on Black Friday. So I just had a really fun day with my sisters and my mom, but I wanted to share what I did end up getting from Ulta because I told you guys I wasn't sure on a few things. So, alright. Oh, another thing that I did buy, this I actually bought on hautelook. Here, let me get it out of the bubble wrap before we get into the PR. I had a credit on hautelook, so I went ahead and used it for this Milk Makeup Highlighter. This is their holographic highlighting powder, and this is in the shade Mars. I haven't tried a lot from Milk Makeup, and since I had that credit and it was going to be expiring soon, I wanted to use it for something, and I went ahead and picked this up. I think after my credit, I only paid like a few dollars for this, so I was really excited so that I could try that out. Okay, so that is everything that I have purchased, and now we're going to get into some PR. So the first thing I wanted to share, this is from Influenster. If you guys are not familiar with Influenster, I have done a couple different videos about them. Anybody can sign up for Influencer. You don't have to have a YouTube channel or a big following on social media. You just have to have a social media account. And basically what they do is they send you products to test out, and then you have to review them afterwards through the Influencer site. So they'll send you like an email with a quick questionnaire, and it's not long, and you just answer questions about how you like the product. So anyone can sign up for this. Anyone can get Influencer. I don't get Vox Box. They call them Vox Boxes when you get something to try. I don't get them very often, and most of the time when I do, they're not beauty related. Most of the time they're like, they do like their different seasonal ones, and usually it's just like an assortment of like food and, you know, like granola bars and I don't know, just random stuff like that. But I just got this one in the mail the other day. This is from a brand I'm not familiar with. Let me get the stuff out here so I can show you. It's called Aquis. I believe that's how you say it, Aquis. It's a hair care brand. And it comes with this really cute little pouch, actually. And then when you open it up, it has a few different things in here. So it has this. This is called the Aquis Prime Rapid Dry Hair Turban, which I'm excited to try this out. I've never purchased one of these hair turbans, but they are supposed to be cause less breakage on your hair if you use something like this to dry it, and you just wrap your hair up and let it dry that way. And it's supposed to help dry faster, which is kind of neat. And then there were also some products in here. So these look like, you know, travel size or sample size products. So it comes with a rebalancing hair wash, restorative leave-in conditioner, and a water defense pre-wash, which I've never heard of a pre-wash. So I guess, oh, it goes one, oh, it's a step. So it goes one, the pre-wash first, the hair wash second, and then 3 is the rapid dry hair turban, and then 4, the leave-in conditioner. That's kind of neat. I don't know. I don't know what you guys think about this. Have any of you heard of this brand or these products? Let me know if you have. I've never heard anything about this, but it seemed interesting, so I'm excited to try that out and see what I think. I'm actually almost out of my shampoo I've been using, so that'll be good. And then I do also have an assortment of things that I've received recently from Octoly, so I'll go through some of those real quick. The first thing is from Patchology. This is another one of their flash mask lines. I've tried quite a few of these sheet masks from this line. I like the flash mask line because they're meant to be worn for just 5 minutes. So if you only have a few minutes to mask, but you want to still get the benefits of masking, these are really nice. So this one is the hydration one. So like I said, I haven't tried this particular one, but I've tried quite a few from this line. So I'm excited to give that a try. I did also get this little sample of a Kate Somerville product. This is a product I've actually been interested in trying. So I applied for the campaign and I was really excited, and then it got here and I was like, oh, that's tiny. So I don't know if I'll get a full, if I'll have enough here to really get a full opinion on the product, but I'm definitely excited to give this a try. This is her new Retinol Vita C Power Serum. So I love her products. I use so many of them and have talked about them forever. I have her dual vitamin C serum, so I'm excited to see how this compares to it, because this is a retinol and a vitamin, or a Vita C it says. So I'm really intrigued by this guy. So I'll definitely be trying that out and getting back to you guys. Another item that I received from Octoly. This is from Kevin Aquan. This is the Neo Highlighter, and it's in the shade Sahara. I've tried the Neo blushes. I don't think I've tried any of the Neo highlighters. I might have. I'm not sure. But this is the shade Sahara, and this is definitely, I don't have this yet, so I'm really excited about this. But I love these types of highlighters where it is kind of an ombre effect. And I've swatched this already. It does seem like a little bit more of a natural highlight. It's not very intense, but I'm definitely excited to play with that a little bit more, and I'll get back to you guys. Alright, this I did not want to unwrap until I had a chance to show you guys. I wasn't going to do my PR in this haul video because I know a lot of people don't like PR, but I really wanted to share this with you because I thought it was so beautiful. This is from the brand Christopher Robin, and it's they just left me a little note, but it's all wrapped beautifully like a Christmas present. I just thought that was so nice. So I'm going to open this up, and look how beautiful this gift set is. So this is a little holiday gift set that they came out with. Let me pop it open here. It comes with 3 different products. So I don't think I've ever tried, no I haven't tried anything from the brand Christopher Robin yet. So I'm really excited to give these a try. I've heard amazing things. It is a very expensive line. It is available at Sephora, so I will link everything down below like I already mentioned. But this first product here that comes in this little tub, this is called the Cleansing Volumizing Paste. It has clay and rose water, so that sounds awesome. I always could use extra volume in my hair. And then it also comes with their volumizing conditioner with rose water, and this here is their instant volumizing mist with rose water. So definitely something that I could use in my hair. Extra volume is always something I'm looking for. So I'm really excited to try out these products. Alright you guys, so that is everything that I had to share with you today in this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I will be back filming some regular videos here again very soon. Like I said, I am feeling a lot better today. I think by tomorrow I should be back to my normal self. Hopefully, but thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!